Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortivada. In this video, we will learn about activating an exact route. So before understanding in a coding aspect, let's understand this in our example demo. So here, what's happening? Let me go into login. When I click on login, it is going into products and we are using a products alone. We are not using the nested route. We are using only the top level route, that is an index route, and hence it is showing red color. But when I go into chocolate, so you have products slash one, that means nested route, milk nested route, ghee nested route. In these cases, if I don't want to show the highlighted nav bar, then what we have to do? In that case, we have a property which is provided by NavLink which helps us to avoid this. Let me go here into our nav bar. So here, if we want to match exactly the current route, otherwise we should not show with the nested routes, then you can use a property called as end. There is a property provided to navlink where we can use it as a boolean value. Either you can use like true false. If I want to make it as true, that end will be using only the exact match and it will be active only when there is an exact match. So let me go here. Now let me go into login. First time I'm going into products. When I go into products directly, it is in red color. But if I move out of the products like slash one, slash two, slash three, something like that, it will not be activated. That means if I click on chocolate, you can see the red color gone. That means it is only checking that products exact route. Well, let me click on products. Again, it is in red color because it is the index route. When I click on chocolate, again it's gone. When I click on milk, again gone. Ghee, again gone. That means whenever you want to have an exact match and whenever you want to make that link as an active on that particular exact matched path, then you can use this end attribute. End attribute is a boolean attribute. So that's about your activation of a nav link on a specified path match. That's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.